I think people should be concerned about their safety. I do. I think that there are too many guns on the street. I wouldn't hide in the basement, but I would be concerned about my surroundings, be concerned about in a car what's around me. It's what you do in the city.
Should they carry guns?
No, I don't advocate carrying guns for anybody, to tell you the truth, other than law enforcement officers and FBI agents and ATF agents. Nobody else should be carrying one. Well, good morning, everyone, and thank you all for coming today. Here standing with us today are federal, state, and local law enforcement partners. We're here today to provide updates on some recent incidents, including the horrific murder of George Brusella, who was killed earlier this month during a carjacking. Our investigators will also provide an update to a homicide that occurred February 12th on the 8100 block of Grover Street, which is not only connected to the murder of Mr. Brusella, but also has a nexus to a larger carjacking ring. Today's update is possible because of the investigative work of dedicated public servants across all our public safety agencies. This would not have been possible without the collaboration between all of them. As our administration continues to work relentlessly to reduce violence and create safer communities and a more just city for everyone, this latest news showcases the stark challenges we're up against. I'm thankful that our police officers, in collaboration with all the agencies gathered here today, have been working hard to identify violent criminals and get them off our streets. To all those who seek to sow chaos in our city, let today send a message that we simply cannot and will not tolerate these acts of violence. So for more details on the particular cases, I'll turn it over to Commissioner Outlaw. Every single description had a pretty powerful gun involved in the process. And I don't know about you, but those guns and the types of those guns should not be in Philadelphia, should not be available to anyone in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, or in my opinion, the United States of America. And look at what our people are up against. I mean, our officers are equipped with Glocks generally and body armor. Some of these guys are running around with AK-47s, AR-15s, and multi-shot clips. And until the state legislature and the people determine that we don't need these guns in circulation, especially in the hands of 12 and 14-year-olds, it's insanity. And I'll say it again, you're probably sick of me hearing to say it. It's harder to get a driver's license in Pennsylvania than it is to get a gun. And there's something wrong with that. And so let me say before we're done, I want to doubly thank our federal partners. U.S. Attorney's Office, FBI, ATF too, have been just tremendous in all the things we've been doing, and that's the help we needed to get over the hump, to get some progress.
Right now, should people feel safe going out?
I think people should be concerned about their safety. I do. I think that there are too many guns on the street. I wouldn't hide in the basement, but I would be concerned about my surroundings, be concerned about in a car what's around me. It's what you do in the city.
Should they carry guns?
No, I don't advocate carrying guns for anybody, to tell you the truth, other than law enforcement officers and FBI agents and ATF agents. Nobody else should be carrying one.
All right, thank you very much, folks. Thank you very much. We'll push out all information that we have about the suspects.